morning, students. Today we will read lesson 2 from your moral science book. Lesson 2, Being Brave. Being brave means being fearless. A brave person is the one who faces all the difficulties and challenges that come in his way without any fear. A brave man is not always a well-built person or a muscles man, but a brave man always has a strong mind. A strong mind helps him overcome his fear. Causes of fear. Fear is the state of our mind which is caused by our false imagination. Children generally get scared while entering a dark room. They think that there is something dangerous in the room. It is not true. Most of our fears are because of our false imagination. A boy is afraid of riding a bicycle for the first time. He gets afraid because he thinks that he would fall down. Similarly, a child gets afraid of entering a pool to learn swimming even though he knows that someone is there to protect him. All these fears do not have any genuine reasons. They only limit our growth. You should remember that being fearless is good, but at the same time, it does not mean that you can go around fighting with others. It does not also mean that a brave person should run on the roads or not be careful. These are just acts of foolishness. We should avoid these acts as they can be very dangerous. Fear is sometimes required for our safety. Like a little child might want to touch the flame of a candle because he does not have any fear of it. He will ultimately only burn his hands. But a grown up child will not do so because he knows that this would burn his fingers. It is fear that also makes us alert and active. We remain alert and active while walking on the road. Why? Because there is a fear in our mind that we would meet with an accident. This fear is genuine. How to get rid of fear? We should try to have good thoughts and good things in our mind all the time. We should believe that God is always with us if we are alone. We should be confident that nothing is going to harm us. You know that a brave man has a strong mind. So, to be brave, we should make our mind strong. The best way to make our mind strong is to follow the path of truth and honesty. Truthfulness and honesty make us fearless. Fear is for those who do wrong things. They always live in fear because they think that they would be exposed someday. Now, the story time. I am telling you a story, The Fearful Spider. A fisherman had tied his boat to a mango tree after a day's hard work. A spider, who was busy spinning her web, reached the rope that was tying the boat to the tree. The spider was inquisitive, so she wanted to check where the other end of the rope went. She started moving on the rope. Suddenly, she saw another spider who was already present in the boat. The spider from the boat asked, "Why have you come to my boat?" "So, that is a boat," exclaimed the visiting spider. "It is so different from our jungle." The spider of the boat got angry and asked again, "I asked you, what brought you to my boat?" "The rope was tied to the tree. I wanted to see where the other end of the rope was," replied the visiting spider. "This is a boat," replied the spider. "It floats on water. The fisherman uses this boat to catch fish for his living. He also ferries passengers across the river and thus earns money. This is a great job. Can you take me to the other side of the river? But I have nothing to offer." The visiting spider expressed her desire. "Guests are never charged any money," said the spider of the boat. "Is it true that the boat often has to face the threats of storms?" said the visiting spider. and she looked up in the sky to ensure that the storm was not expected. When the boat rises up and down in the river, don't you feel scared? The father asked. Initially, when I came to the boat, I was very scared, but gradually I became used to it. It's quite safe, said the spider of the boat. Now I hardly feel any differences whether the boat is moving or it is tied to the river bank. You are used to it. That is why you don't feel the difference. But I can make out that the boat is very shaky. So go away. I didn't invite you to the boat, said the spider of the boat. At that moment, the fisherman came in hurriedly. He united the rope and jumped into the boat. The boat imbalanced for a minute, and the visiting spider got scared. Without giving any second thought, she jumped into the water. As she did not know how to swim, she drowned and died. It happened so fast that the spider in the boat could not find time to warn her or persuade her not to jump into the water. She only said, "Those who fear perish. The brave survive the roughest of weather." So, the moral of the story is be brave. Face all challenges without any fear. Thank you, students.